Question 9. Without using tables, evaluate root of 153 times 0.18 over 0.68 times 0.32. The success in solving decimal operations without using tables is to show your steps or the workings one by one. Even if it is so easy, show your steps one by one, how you simplify the numerator, how you simplify the denominator. If there is a root, simplify inside the root first before using the root. If there is a bracket, you also simplify the bracket. When you follow that, then you shall be able to get all the marks pertaining to decimal questions. So in our case, we have a root, we also have a numerator and denominator. So we must start by solving inside the root. What do we have inside the root? That is what we must start by solving. So inside the root, we have numerator, and our numerator is 153 times 0.18. This one is equal to 27.54. Then we go to the denominator. In our denominator, we have 0.68 times 0.32, and this is equal to 0.2176. Then we write our numerator over denominator. The numerator was 27.54, denominator is 0.2176. So we write 27.54 over 0.2176. Remember, I have not introduced the root yet because I'm simplifying the numerator first. Then, because we have still decimal points in the numerator and the denominator, you ask yourself which of them has the highest number of decimal places. Clearly, it is the denominator because it has 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to remove 4 decimal places, we multiply by 10,000 both the numerator and the denominator. So that we are going to have 27.54 times 10,000 over 0.2176 times 10,000. This is going to give us 275400 over 2176, and this is equal to 126.5625. Then we now introduce our root. Because we have solved completely inside the root, we introduce our root now, so that we have square root of 126.5625. Because it is a decimal, we can't get the square root directly. We must write it in fraction, so that it will be equal to square root of 126.5625 over, we count the number of decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be over 10,000. 4 decimal places, 4 zeros. Then we get the square root of the denominator and the square root of the numerator. Square root of the denominator will be 1125. That is the square root of the numerator. Square root of the denominator is 100. So our final solution will be 1125 over 100, which is equal to 11.25. When you show your working clearly, you are bound to get all the marks, and otherwise if you don't, you will get 1 or 2 marks because you don't show the steps, you jump over them.